Well, what we have here is a test run. Did some work on the damn sled here back when we was freezing our ass off. So now, since my shoulder is well enough to do some fishing before I go out to the big water, I need to do some testing. Of course, all water is big if you're sinking, so I shouldn't say it like that. But the key is not to be sinking. So since this is a test, I have the minimal amount of equipment here, and actually I don't have any equipment. So my motto here is to hope everything is the way it should be. Let's get a motor first. Alright, I got a little motor there. Let's see, let's exit here. Give me a little GPS, I guess, in case I get lost. Because it is possible for a pimp to get lost. So let me mark me a little spot here, and all right. Let us go, let us go, let us go. The first thing I want to see before I go anywhere is am I dry in my hull? From the rain or not, but I guess we'll see when I get back if we got any water in there. All right. So far everything's normal. take another look. We still looking good. Oh yeah, we are looking good. No warnings, no codes. Reverse bucket works good. All right, folks, I've seen all I need to see here, I guess. I can go on home and get set up to go fishing one day here soon. Let me check my hull one more quick time. Make sure I'm still dry. What I was trying to do was go fast enough to force a problem if I needed to. Okay. I think we can go fishing.